Hi guys, it's me Priceless Beauty, and I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow today. So earlier today I just showed you doing my eyebrow, so now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow. So to start, I'm going to use my primer. This is the liquid primer I'm going to use from Revolution. It's gone in my eye. I think I took too much. Revolution, I heart Revolution.
That means you're abusing because you sing as well. You always go like 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'll talk about Robin. No, I think it's like no. Like you. I think people barking. Yay! That's my turn. I'm having 3 turns. Yeah, you have 3. It's my turn.
So this is the result of the eyeshadow. You're not gonna really see how nice it looks until I finish putting on the makeup. That is when it's gonna really bring it out. So when I finish the makeup, I will show the finished look of the eyeshadow. This is the eyeshadow finished look. Yes. Yeah, you are right. You got it. This is how it looks. Think it looks pretty. Look at that. It's flawless. That's the close-up. Hope you like it. Happy 2019 in advance. Bye.